Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossip Funda. In this video, we are gonna discuss how to recover lost data from crashed Windows with best data recovery software. So first of all, let us discuss what is data recovery software. Data recovery software effectively recovers and repairs files, databases, storage media, corruption participation, and brings back your data safely. The advantage of using data backup and recovery is that with zero management cost and no impact on your performance of your device, you can easily control and manage your data. So let us discuss about an amazing data recovery software named Tenorshare 4D Dig. Let us discuss some of the features of Tenorshare 4D Dig. It allows you to recover data from crashed computer, external device, and even deleted files are allowed to recover. And sometimes it might happen that while updating your Windows or any other such updation, your drives might get formatted. So it allows you to recover data from those formatted drives as well. It allows you to recover 1000 plus data types, which includes photos, videos, doc file, PDFs, etc. So now let us see how to download the software. All you have to do is to go to their website and click on free download for Windows button. And once the downloading is completed, go to the download section of File Explorer and double click on the downloaded software. Now click on install and wait for the installation to get completed. Meanwhile, let me tell you that the company provides you free technical assistance to all their users and also 30 days money back guarantee for your purchase. So as you can see, the installation is going to complete, and once the installation is completed, all you have to do is to click on the start button. Now click on start and Chrome will appear showing you the information that the installation has been completed. Over there only you will see a link which will guide you to the user guide of Tenorshare 4D Dig, which will allow you to understand this software better. You should absolutely check it out. Now next we will see the user interface of this software, which is obviously very clean and easy to learn, which will be very beneficial for those who are beginner and find difficult to learn new softwares. Now let us choose the drive that we're gonna use in order to recover data. So let us check, is there any hidden file in this drive or not. As you can clearly see, there is no hidden file in this drive, and let us check out the storage of this drive here. So a very negligible amount of data has been stored in this drive, and you can see the drive is completely formatted. Next, you have to open the software and choose the drive from which you want to recover your data and click on scan. Now select the number of types of file and the types of file that you want to recover. So for you to show, I'm going to choose 3 types of file and then click on scan selected file types. As you can see, the drive is very huge in size and it's going to take a lot of time to scan it completely. So for you to show, I'm just going to scan it till 35 to 37%. So while it's getting scanned, let me tell you that this software occupies very small amount of storage in your PC or your laptop, which makes it more reliable to use. So you should definitely check it out once. So let us wait for scan to reach 35 to 37% and then we're gonna pause it. Now go to deleted file section and choose one of the data type and click on recover. Choose the location and then click on recover again, and let us see are we able to do that or not. As you can clearly see that we have successfully recovered a video from our deleted file section. Now let us try out to recover 3 data types simultaneously. Check the boxes, click on recover, select the location and click on recover again. And we have successfully recovered 3 data types to our formatted drive without any hassle. I'm sure you have found this software very easy to use and very helpful. So to buy its license, go to its website and click on buy now option. So you have got 3 plans over here. One is 1 month license, second is 1 year license, and one is lifetime license. So they are currently having their first anniversary, so they are offering 30% discount on their original price. You will get the coupon code in the description box and the pinned comment as well. You should check it out. This software supports Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8 and 7. It also recovers data from crashed computer and non-booting OS. Also, the company provides free technical support for all their users. A very secure method for payment is used and 30 days money back guarantee is provided for your purchases. So if you found this video helpful and if you like the software, do check it out once. To know more about technology related stuffs like Android tips and tricks, iOS tips and tricks, coding, etc., do visit our Gossip Funda blog and start reading. You will get to know about many more such things. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to press the subscribe button and ring the bell icon in order to get the future notifications. If you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.